Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be discussing the Intex Simple Spa inflatable hot tub. This hot tub has been really fun to review. I've been getting a lot of use out of it, using it in the mornings, at night, sometimes in the middle of the day. If you know anything about inflatable products, you probably have heard the name Intex, likely the most popular brand out there for inflatable products. Intex did a really nice job on this inflatable hot tub. It has two filters for added filtration. I like that because one weakness that I find with the inflatable hot tubs is the filtration. So having that extra filter does help. That being said, having the extra filter, it's not always the most convenient because then it's kind of in the way when you're sitting there, but it still is nice. And they say this hot tub's a 4-person hot tub, but realistically, you're probably talking a 2-person, 2 to 3 people comfortably. 4 people, you'd be crammed in here like sardines. Real quick, let's just go over some specs. This hot tub is about 77 inches from outside wall to outside wall across, about 26 inches tall. Max temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and this hot tub features 100 bubble jets. The hot tub holds around 210 gallons. It's really important when you're figuring out where the hot tub's going to go that you actually evaluate how much weight the hot tub will be. A gallon of water is about 8.5 pounds. When you times that by 210, this hot tub actually does weigh quite a bit. So you're going to want to make sure that you're not putting it on a deck that's not rated for that kind of weight. This is the heat and pump unit right here, and I really like how sleek it is on the Intex. One thing that should be noted if you're in the market for an inflatable hot tub, the owner's manual stated that they do not want their Intex hot tubs going out below freezing weather. I want to hear from them as to if that's just a warning or if that's like absolutely not, do not do that. So yeah, Intex doesn't want their hot tubs going below freezing. They really don't give an option for running it in the winter, and I like Salya Spa because they actually do offer some options. I do have a complaint with this hot tub. My complaint would be the canvas material lining the outer edge of the hot tub. I tried to line up all the ports for where the pump and the air hook up, but I did find out that the actual air valve here, once inflated, it was slightly off, and I just don't know. It's kind of like, I don't know. If you'll notice how the seams in this hot tub actually go horizontally, a lot of the inflatable hot tubs that I've owned actually have vertical seams, and I believe that makes the hot tub stronger. And I wondered if they had to put this on here to kind of hold the hot tub all in because they went horizontal. I'm not sure. Another thing about these horizontal seams is this one here you actually feel in your back a little bit. It's not terrible, and honestly, Intex uses high quality material. It's very soft and it does feel good on your skin. I had been wanting an Intex inflatable hot tub for some time now. When I saw the Simple Spa was only $429, I thought, you know what, that is worth a shot. So I did end up buying it. I'll post a link down below if you're curious about it. If you watched the setup video for this hot tub, you already know this, but Intex sends you a small chemical dispenser. And I mean, this thing only holds 1 tablet. So I do recommend that you maybe go pick up an aftermarket one. This one's $9 on Amazon, and it holds a whole bunch of chemicals. So you don't have to be worried about, oh, I better go check the hot tub. And the last thing you want to do is come out to a hot tub where it feels like it's got some overgrowth of bacteria and it's slippery and slimy. That's just not a good feeling. So with this aftermarket one, I always make sure that I have chemical in it and I don't really have to worry. That small one, yeah, I would worry. You'd have to check it quite often. Checking the filters and cleaning the filters is really easy. You just simply unthread it from the housing. And dang, you can just check the filters just like that. So it is really, really nice. And I like that there's 2. That does help with the filtering, but like I say, it kind of gets in the way. So it's to each their own. Salya Spa hot tubs, I haven't seen them do a hot tub with 2 filters yet. But Intex and Relxtime have. In my hot tubs, I always run bromine. That is my chemical of choice. We decided on it just because it does work better at higher temperatures, they believe, like in the hot tub. So you can do bromine or chlorine. I've never seen a saltwater setup, but I'm sure somebody around the world has done it for an inflatable hot tub. I just prefer the bromine. I put the tablets in the dispenser. I check it with the test strips. Sometimes I gotta adjust the pH down, pH up. More than that, I really don't have any problems with alkalinity. I never have problems with cyanuric acid. I just recently got into these Clorox product brominating tabs though, and I do like them. They fit really well in that aftermarket chemical dispenser. This is my Clorox water clarifier, and I use this because what I find is it actually grabs onto some of the smaller particles and it makes them kind of bind together, and it makes them a little bit easier for my filters to grab them. Intex does make my favorite hot tub light, and it just simply threads on. But yes, I love it. The light's fixed under there. It's beautiful. It's just a wonderful thing. Check out the accessory video if you have any questions or comments. Let's go over the control board on your Intex inflatable hot tub. You have the power button right here. You have your temperature settings. You can raise it to 104. You can lower it using the up and down arrows. Your display will read in Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can toggle that using this button. The flame icon, that is the heater. The filter button, that is the filtration / pump. So you want to kick the pump on or filter on, for whatever reason, that's the button. The bubbles is the bubble jets. It's a very simple operation, very similar to other inflatable hot tubs. Overall, the Intex Simple Spa is actually a really good hot tub. Intex really did a nice job on the instructions as well. They're very clear, there are a lot of pictures. So $429 for this hot tub, that was a good deal. And these bubble jets are super relaxing, let me just say. You've been in the standard hot tub, I'm sure. Most of them don't have bubble jets. Hey, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them below. I will answer them when I can. If you have the time, head over to our channel, check it out. We have a lot more inflatable hot tub content there for you. If you could please hit the thumbs up, that does help YouTube place us a little bit higher, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.